Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 50 in the artist transformation of sentences. Second. So, let's begin. Here are simple sentences. What are simple sentences? A simple sentence has only one clause. Simple sentence होता है उसमें खाली एक ही clause होता है. There are three main types of simple sentences. तीन main type के simple sentences होते हैं. Type 1 क्या होता है? It has a subject और transitive verb and object. इसमें एक subject होता है, transitive verb होता है और एक object होता है. The subject does something directly to the object. Subject होता है directly कोई चीज करता है object को. For example, the farmers on the snake. Farmer ने क्या पकड़े? Snake पकड़े. Well, snake पकड़ा. Type 2, it has a subject and a verb. इसमें subject होता है, एक verb होता है, but कोई object नहीं होता. The verb is intransitive. जो verb होती है वो intransitive होती है. The subject does something but not to an object. Subject कोई चीज कर रहा है but object को नहीं. For example, the child cried loudly. Third type क्या है? It has a subject and a verb be. इसमें एक subject होता है, एक verb होके be. For example, the boys were happy. Bats are mammals. Now combining two or more simple sentence into a simple sentence. दो और more simple sentence को एक single simple sentence में कैसे combine करते हैं? Two or more simple sentence can be combined into single sentence by various ways. बहुत सारे तरीकों से हम combine कर सकते हैं. First क्या है हमारा? Using a participle. Participle को use करके like he saw a snake, he ran away. दो sentence है. Seeing a snake, he ran away. Participle use कर लिया seeing. Raman found his watch. It was broken. Raman found his watch broken. Broken क्या आपका participle हो गया. He reached home. He saw his friend. He was waiting for him. Reaching home, he saw his friend waiting for him. The thief heard some noise. He ran away. Hearing some noise, the thief ran away. Now, using a preposition with a noun or a gerund, जो हम preposition को use करते हैं noun और gerund के साथ. There was a heavy rain. The roads were flooded. The roads were flooded with heavy rain water. John amused us. He told a funny joke. John amused us by telling a funny joke. You have taken the book. There is no doubt about this. There is no doubt about your taking the book. She worked hard. She had filled those sentences. In spite of hard work, she has failed. Now using an infinitive. Infinitive को कैसे use करता है? A kitten should be fed. It is time to feed the kitten. They went to the town hall. They had to meet the mayor. They went to the town hall to meet the mayor. Now, the player must go. The referee told him so. The referee told the player to go. Now, Daljit is very clever. She cannot fail. Daljit is too clever to fail. Now, using a noun or pronoun phrase in a position, हम pronoun और pronoun phrase को कैसा position use कर सकते हैं? Most tourists visit the Taj Mahal. It is one of the wonders of world. Most tourists visit the Taj Mahal, one of the wonders of the world. She is Priya, she is my friend. She is Priya, my friend. Comma लगा दिया हमने यहाँ पे. Baird was a great inventor. He invented the television. Baird, great inventor, invented the television. Rabindranath Tagore wrote with Gitanjali. He was a great philosopher. Rabindranath Tagore, a great philosopher, wrote Gitanjali. Now, Sir Edwin Lutyens prepared the city plan of New Delhi. He was an English architect. Sir Edwin Lutyens, an English architect, prepared the city plan of New Delhi. Now, using an adverb or an adverbial phrase. एक adverb और adverbial phrase को कैसे use करते हैं? You can buy that pen. It is available at every shop. You can buy that pen from any shop. The robber surrendered. Full stop. It was done without any condition. The robber surrendered unconditionally. She got a second chance, she was lucky. Luckily, she got a second chance. Many students scribble, full stop. It is not legible. Many students scribble illegibly. Now, using a sound noun plus participle. It was dark, full stop. The prisoners tried to escape. It being dark, comma, the prisoners tried to escape. My friend arrived, full stop. We went for dinner. My friend having arrived, comma, we went for dinner. Now the storm subsided. The fishermen put out their nets. The storm having subsided, comma, the fisherman put out their nest. तो यहाँ पे क्या हमने noun भी यूज कर लिया, participle भी यूज कर लिया. The roads were broken. The traffic was blocked. The streets having been broken. आपने roads की जगह streets कर दिया. Having been broken, comma, the road traffic was blocked. Now compound sentence. वो हमारी simple sentence है. अब हमारे compound sentence क्या होते हैं? A compound sentence has 4 more clauses than can stand on their own. इनमें 2 से ज़्यादा clauses होते हैं जो अपने आप stand करते हैं. The clauses in a compound sentence are equally important. ये दोनों clause equally important होते हैं. We link 2 clauses to form a compound sentence. हम link करते हैं 2 clauses को form करने के लिए compound sentence को with coordinated conjunctions or and so but yet. For example, she worked very hard but she didn't succeed. Priya cut the fruits and I made the salad. Combining 2 or more simple sentences into a compound sentence. She came here, she saw me. Or she came here to see me, she came here and she saw me. She हमारा हम she हटा भी सकते हैं तो she and saw me. Walk fast, you will miss the bus. Walk fast or you will miss the bus. Chimpanzees are intelligent, we know it. Chimpanzees are intelligent and we know it. Priya does not laugh, she does not cry. Priya neither laughs nor cries. Ravi went in, John followed, Vita hesitated. Ravi went in and John followed, but Vita hesitated. Now, conversion of a simple sentence into a compound sentence. अब simple sentence compound sentence हम कैसे convert करते हैं? In spite of his hard work, the boy did not succeed. ये simple sentence है. The boy worked hard, but he didn't succeed. ये compound आ गया. The police caught the man for cheating. Simple है. The man was a cheat, so the police caught him. ये compound हो गया आपका. Finishing their work for the day, the workers went home. Simple sentence है. The workers completed their work and they went home. Compound हो गया. The nib have been broken. I could not write. The nib had broken and I could not write. Sitting in front of mirror, she gazed at her reflection. Simple. She sat in front of the mirror and gazed at her reflection. Compound हो गया. Now conversion of a compound into a simple sentence. अब से compound को हम simple sentence से कैसे convert करते हैं? He finished his homework and put away his books. Compound है. Having finished his homework, he put away his books. Simple हो गया. We must eat or we cannot live. We must eat to live. ये simple हो गया. Compound है हमारा. He must not be late or he will miss the bus. Simple क्या हो जाएगा? In the event of being late, he will miss the bus. Simple हो गया. They were poor and often suffered great hardship. Being poor, they suffered great hardship. Simple हो गया. Not only his brother helped him, but his sister too. Compound. Besides his brother helping him, his sisters also helped. ये simple हो गया. Now complex sentence. A complex sentence has one main clause and one or more subordinate clauses. Main clause होता है और एक से ज़्यादा subordinate clause होते हैं. Like I brush teeth, main clause और subordinate clause हो गया before I go to bed. I brush teeth before I go to bed. Main clause are independent clause. जो main clause होता है वो independent clause होता है because they make sense on their own. तो ये अपने आप अपना सेंस बनाते हैं तो ये अपने आप मेन के क्लॉज होता है वो इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज होता है. सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज आपका डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज होता है वो डिपेंड करता है मेन क्लॉज पे एंड डू नॉट मेक सेंस ऑन देयर ओन सो दे आर कॉल्ड डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. इन्हें हम डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज भी कहते हैं. नाउ कंबाइनिंग टू और मोर सिंपल सेंटेंस इनटू अ कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. कैसे कंबाइन करते हैं? In order to join two or more simple sentences into a complex sentence, we must keep the sentence containing the main idea. हमारे पास 4 sentences होने चाहिए जिसमें main idea होता है as the main clause and rest can be made into noun clause. और बाकी को हम noun clause में कर सकते हैं और adjective clause में और adverb clause में. Subordinate clause as a noun clause. She is working. She is working. I am sure about that. I am sure that she is working. She will meet me here, she promised me. She promised me that she would meet me here. You are very dishonest. It is quite clear that you are very dishonest. Is quite clear. He has been absent. I do not know the reason. I don't know why he has been absent. Now, you cheated her. That was her complaint. Her complaint was that you cheated her. अभी हमने क्या करा कंबाइन करा दो और मोर सिंपल सेंटेंस को एक कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में. Here is one more sentence. We shall find the way. This is our belief. It is encouraging. Our belief that we shall find the way is encouraging. A subordinate clause as an adjective clause. I met a girl yesterday. I had not seen her before. Yesterday I met a girl whom I had not seen before. The tiger is hiding in the den. It is in the forest. The den where the tiger is hiding is in the forest. Neha had been to America. She wished to settle in Mumbai. Neha, who had been to America, wished to settle in Mumbai. The director was convicted. He resigned. He resigned the post. His post. The director was convicted. Resigned his post. There was landslide. 50 people lost their lives in that. There was landslide in which 50 people lost their lives. Now subordinate clause as an adverb clause. He was very tired. He could not run. वही हम क्या कर रहे हैं subordinate clause को adverb clause में कर रहे हैं. Like he was so tired that he could not walk. It was raining. She did not come. As it was raining, she did not come. Priya is pretty. Nisha is prettier. Nisha is prettier than Priya is. Try hard, you may win. If you try hard, you may win. It was very hot. We did not drink the cold water. Though it was very hot, we did not drink the cold water. Now conversion of simple sentence into a complex sentence. अब simple को complex में कैसे convert करते हैं? We bought his car. Simple है. We bought the car which belongs to him. He does not know the time of his arrival. ये simple था complex हो गया. He does not know when he will arrive. Simple. He confessed her crime. She confessed her crime. She confessed that she was guilty. Complex हो गया. Simple है आपका. He bought his brother's bike. He brought the bike which belonged to his brother. Complex है. He tried hard to win the race. He tried hard that he might win the race. Complex. Now conversion of a complex sentence into a simple sentence. A complex sentence को एक simple sentence में कैसे convert करते हैं? When the thief saw the police, जब thief ने पुलिस को देखा, he hid behind a tree. He hid behind a tree. Complex है. On seeing the police, the thief hid behind a tree. ये आपका simple sentence हो गया. All the days there is inflation, the standard of living has improved. ये आपका complex है. In spite of inflation, the standard of living has improved. Yeah, simple. And the puppy is away, the kitten will play. Complex. In the absence of puppy, the kitten will play. Simple ho gaya. The prisoner said that he was innocent. Complex. The prisoner declared his innocence. Simple ho gaya. She is so tired that she cannot walk. Complex. She is too tired to walk. Now conversion of compound sentence into a complex one. अब compound sentence को complex में कैसे convert करते हैं? The ambulance must come soon or the victim will die. Compound है. अब complex में कैसे करें? If the ambulance does not come soon, अगर हमारी ambulance जल्दी नहीं आई, comma, the patient will die. Complex हो गया आपका ये. अब compound है. The panther was hurt but not killed. Although the panther was hurt, comma, it was not killed. Complex हो गया. Gandhiji believed in truth, but some of the followers told lies. Compound. So, Gandhiji believed in truth, comma, some of the followers told lies. Work hard and you will succeed. Compound. If you work hard and you will succeed. She wishes to become doctor, comma, so she is studying hard. Compound. She is studying hard that she may become doctor. she may become doctor. She wishes to become doctor. तो डॉक्टर बनना चाहती थी कि वो इतना हार्ड स्टडी कर रही थी बट she is studying hard that she may become doctor. Now conversion of a complex sentence into a compound sentence. अब कॉम्प्लेक्स को कंपाउंड में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं? अभी हमने कंपाउंड को कॉम्प्लेक्स में करा, अब कॉम्प्लेक्स को कंपाउंड में कैसे करते हैं? I found the ring that I had lost. Complex sentence. I had found a ring, comma, but I have found. I lost a ring, comma, but I have found it. He is more a joker than an actor. He is something of an actor, comma, but rather, comma, more of a joker. अब कॉम्प्लेक्स हमारा if you do not work hard you will not succeed. कंपाउंड क्या होगा? You must work hard otherwise you will not succeed. If you do not hurry you will miss the flight. Complex है you must hurry or you will miss the flight. Compounded. We pray that we may live in peace. We desire to live in peace, therefore we pray. So that was all for this lesson. I hope you all liked the explanation of this lesson. See you in the next class.